Wind speeds this high are also at risk, we know, of causing wildfires. And because of that, Xcel is doing something they've never done before in Colorado tonight, shutting off the power in advance to several areas. 9 News reporter Lauren Scafidi joins us now. She's out in that wind tonight in Boulder County. Lauren, this could affect about 55,000 households tonight.
This is the first time that Xcel has ever done this here in Colorado, and here's why. Take a look at this flag. It has been blowing like non-stop ever since we got here, and I weigh a lot more than this flag, and I'm even having a hard time standing here. I've gotten kind of knocked over a couple times, and something that kind of caught me by surprise is that the wind is blowing a lot of stuff up in the air, and it's getting into my eyes and into my contacts, and it's kind of uncomfortable. But this started at 3 o'clock today when Xcel cut power to 55,000 people, and they're out here. They were just out here actually working on these power lines. They just left in the last 30 seconds or so, but they cut the power. Wow, it is very windy out here. They cut the power because what could happen is the wind could knock down these power lines, or a tree could fall down on these power lines, and then that could fall down on the dry grass, and that's when it could set fire. So this is going to affect about 6 counties today, mostly in Boulder County where we're at right now, and small parts of Gilpin, Jefferson, Larimer, Douglas, and Broomfield counties. Also the West Denver metro area along the foothills. Xcel said that they called the customers that would be affected last night and this morning. Xcel hopes to restore power tomorrow around noon.
That's when the wind event will end. We will then have to send crews out to actually visually inspect the lines. As you might imagine, if there's damage to a line caused by the high winds, we can't re-energize that line until we physically put our eyes on it to make sure that it's safe to re-energize.
There's a lot of frustration from the public right now about where exactly these outages are planned. Xcel has the regular online outage map, the one that they always use, but they have not yet sent out a formal list of all of their planned outages today, even though they said during their press conference that they have plans to do that. Some individual jurisdictions and first responders appear to have received some maps, like this one that the Boulder County Chamber of Commerce shared announcing outages today, but Xcel says that they're going to have more than 40 crews out tomorrow around noon to individually check on all of those power lines, and hopefully that will get the ball rolling to put power back on for those 6 counties. Live in Boulder County, this wind is so strong, our tripod is almost getting knocked over. I cannot wait to get back into the car, even though our car standing still was shaking around. Live in Boulder County, Lauren Scafidi, 9 News.
Lauren, please come in. My goodness, you're about to blow over. And we